Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Another video to expose myself, another video to expose my past, another video to expose even my present. Yes, the same devil that was attacking me on my past is the same devil that is attacking me on my present. Hence ngisho ukuthi I'm exposing my past and also my present. Because the same way he was attacking me is the same way he's attacking me now. Just that sengisindela ukuthi, because I want to come out of those things that the devil is attacking me with. Sengiyabona ke ezinye, though the devil always try his ways ukuthi angabonakala into ayenzayo. So I was sexually active at the age of 10. Khona video yami la ngathi I don't know whether I was raped or I was not raped. Yeah. So ngicacela manje ukuthi it's got nothing with the rape, because no one forced me into having sex. So now into khona ikuthi I was sexually active. I was the one who wanted to engage in sex at the age of 10 years. So at that time I saw nothing wrong with it. But then as I started things, as I learned things, I see ukuthi and I learned ukuthi it's the devil who was using me, and even if I was having fun having sex from a young age, but it was destroying me. I've also realized ukuthi but from the age of 10 until the age of 14, and that's when I was engaging having sex at that age. So at the age of 14 I stopped ngoba kwavela abantu esikolweni ababevakashile from Denmark, and then at the assemble they told us ukuthi they were teaching, indaba zena lezi zocansi ukuthi simasiyekeni indaba zokuyecansini sisabancane, let's focus on our school work kanjalo. So I took that advice. Mina ngathi okay, from today I'm stopping indaba yokuthi having sex at a young age. Let me take their advice yokuthi ngibe a second virgin. I took that advice. So ngayiject ngizoba a second virgin. So because I didn't know ukuthi what I was doing it's a good thing, and bengilo muntu we didn't just share things. So I didn't share that with my mom ukuthi the people from Denmark, what did they say? I didn't share with my mom. And anyway, angithi since I'm exposing myself, I had that character also. Even sengikhulile namanje sokuthi ngoba ngiyayi-expose ezinye izinto ziyavela ngami ukuthi konje nginje, I'm like this. So ngangine character yokuthi ngi-appear a good girl kumama nabo bonke were surrounding me at that time, nababangane enganginabo at that time. So I wanted to appear as someone with a good behavior. Angafuna ukwazeke ukuthi I am sleeping around. Okay. So then I stopped again. Angithi at the age of 14. So 15, 16, 17, 18 thema ngiqeda matric ngathi I am ngikhulile ke manje, I can continue ngalala ngikhulile manje. kusho ukuthi umqondo wami la engqondweni yami ngayitshela ukuthi sengikhulile so it's fine, kanti it's not. I'm hurting myself again. I'm allowing the devil to use me again. So I didn't know. Kuyimanje mase ngiyi-expose ukuthi how isono nje mawusenza, it always a good thing to do. You always have words to defend yourself. Kanti I was hurting myself. I was allowing the devil to use me. So now that I'm no longer engaging in indaba yokuthi sleeping around, he attacks me in a different way. He attacks me kusho ukuthi ngithi there is a spirit. Lezinto I'm still learning them, I'm still starting them. If I realize ukuthi kule video khona ngakupost okungekho right, I will come and say it again, because I always do that to my videos, to say that to my videos about my videos, say that ukuthi if I realize ukuthi lento engayi-expose last time, no, it's not, I come back and say it ukuthi no, it's not. Because also the words, I don't know in the spiritual realm how do they appear, but I've learned ukuthi the words in the spiritual realm, they use it. The devil use it. Whatever you say, he uses against you. Maguthi usebenzise into that is in line with his kingdom. So so as I was saying, Guti, he's still using that method. That method, even if I'm married, he's still using that method. Learning Uguti, the devil uses sex to steal people's destinies, to steal people's gifts, to steal people's anything that God gave you. Is still in using sex. So when he's making you sleep with that person, with that other one, sleeping with different people, he steals whatever God gave you. If uNkulunkulu ekunika ukuhlakane uyohanjiswa iloko ukuthi akulalise nabantu. I don't know whether I sense the spirit the last, I don't know how does it do it, but I'm still learning. As I am learning, I'm exposing as well. So this other day, I didn't realize okay, when I'm going back at the age of 18, khona lo ngalala na kusho ukuthi mina ngiyengisinde nganike ukuthi I always feel guilty. Then when I feel guilty, I try to stop. So I tried to stop. Then khona lapho ngina 18 khona ngalala naye. So when I stopped at the age of 18, and then I think ngahlala 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, that's when I met the father of my firstborn child, of my firstborn, at the age of 20. So then we had a fight. Yes, I mean to say, not me and my firstborn child. And then we had a fight, and then we separated in 2 years. And then during that in 2 years or angisakhumbuli whether in 1 year some months or 2 years. Angisakhumbuli kahle hle. I met someone. Kodwa bengihamba ke emsebenzini besithatha iwalk nje nomngani wami. So someone ke loyo umuntu engamazi was driving a car, and then wasethi yena ufuna bani umngani wami. Umngani wami athi no, mina nginomuntu already, thatha na umngani wami. Yazi ngithule nje lapho nami angisho next. I just what shuthi ngavuma. Angazi as time goes on or what happened, mngani washo ukuthi wasengixoxela nje naye ukuthi yena sometimes you will do ukungena emotweni zabantu kodwa khona wamkhuza wayeka. But then it didn't click to me ukuthi okay yena makasho kanjalo, then why is she taking me there? So anyway, sengibona manje mangitatisha ukuthi izinto the devil has his way yokuthi nakanjani you have to go and have sex because he wants everything that God gave you, and you can only have that through sex, or anything that you will do uyifihla, or anything that you will do as this ehlangene naye nje amanga naye yonke lento embi nje ngaye, so you can only steal from you when you're doing that. But when you're upright with God, but anyway, akekho umuntu ongahlala engoni, kodwa am I able to say ukuthi ngonile yimina oyenze lokho? Yeah. So as I continue to expose myself, I'll do more videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, actually, before I close, I wanted to say this as well. I wanted to say, okay, let me do it on another video because my story is a bit long. So if I have to do it, I don't like doing more than 10 minutes videos. But anyway, now this one is 11 minutes. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll do it on the other one. Thank you for watching. Bye.